Welcome back to our second video. Since we finished the chapter, that is the third chapter, Objects in Word 2013 in the last video, this video is the revision, or you can say summary of the whole chapter. So we are going to revise the chapter what we studied in the chapter 3. So let's get started. Before we move forward, we are going to see what is word art. A word art is a text styling features in Word 2013. A word art is a text styling feature, that means it gives a styling feature to your text, like changing the color of your text, shape, or you can say the size of the text. So these are the features of the word art. The word art gallery includes different styles that can be applied to any text. That means it shows you all the different styles. We are going to see the different styles that can be applied to any of the text. Shapes and formatting characteristics of word art objects are called word art style. That means there are shapes as well as formatting characteristics of the word art objects are called as word art style. We are going to see all them in the practical in the further slides. So now we are going to see how to create a word art in the Word document. For that we have to go to the Word, MS Word. So this is the Word page. Now I have typed the word welcome. So then after typing the word welcome, I want to give the word art effect to the word welcome. So for that I will select the word, then go towards insert tab. In insert tab, here we have an option of word arts. Here I'll click on it and then I'll select the word art of my choice. So as you can see, the word art effect has already come. Now if I want, I can increase the size, decrease the size of the word art. I'll select it, go in the home tab, and I can make bold, italics, increase the font size. Okay, so this is the word art effect. There are many word art effects. You can choose any one of them, but for that you have to select again. If you want to change, you have to select the word and then select the word art style here, any one which you like. So this are the steps. I've given the steps in the previous slide. Follow the steps. Now I have showed you all the practical. Now we are going to see how to format the word art. So we'll see the Word document. This is our Word document. This was the word which was been styled in a word art format. So for that you'll select the word, then you'll go towards the format tab. See, here is the format tab. Click on the format tab. Now in this format tab there are various styles, like how do you want your word art to be. So first, if you want to change the color, here is the option of changing the color. You can select any of the color. I'm selecting white color. Then here also you have text effect. Now in text effect you have various options. You have like shadow. If you want to give shadow to your text, then you have the shadow option. Then if you want reflection, then you get a reflection. Then if you want 3D rotation of your word, then you can give 3D rotation like this, or you want to change the text direction. So here is the option of text direction. How do you want? Horizontal you want, vertical you want. Here you can change the text direction like this, horizontal, vertical can change. So this is the formatting. In art there are various formats. You can see, practice. Now we'll see how to insert a text box. Now for that you have to go towards the insert tab. In insert tab you have a text box option. Now select on this text box. Now computer will show you various types of text box, like you have options like simple text box, then Augustine sidebar, then banded quote, etc. You select any one of your choice. I'll select the simple text box. Now this I'll do backspace and type my word. Welcome. Okay, so these are the steps to insert a text box. First step is place the cursor wherever you want your text box to. Then second is go towards insert tab. The third is click on the text box and select the any format which you all want for your text box, and then click, hold and drag the mouse to your cursor. The text box will appear on your Word document. So these are the steps. In the previous slide I've showed you all the steps, so follow the steps. Okay students, now we are going to see how to format the text box. So for that, always remember you have to select the text box first like this. Click on the text box, so it will get selected. Now go towards the format tab. In format tab you have insert shape option. In this you have a option edit shape. You click on the edit shape and then go to change shape. Once you click on change shapes, you will get various shapes, like in which shape you want the text box to appear, it will show you. Now if I want it to appear on this, I'll select this wave. So see here, my text box have changed to wave. Now I can change the color. You can go towards the shape style, and here I have shape fill. You can change the color of your shape whichever you wish to. Then even I can change the outline. I want a black outline. Or shape effect. How do you want your shape to? I'll say I want it in this way. So see, here you have various options like 3D rotation you have. Okay. So this are the shape formatting, or you can say text formatting. Follow the steps. So students, this is your Word page. Now to insert any shape, pictures, you all need to go to the insert tab. As you all can see, this all are your tabs: file tab, home tab, design, page layout, references, mailing, review and view. So from that you need to go towards the insert tab. So this is your insert tab. Now here you have various options. In illustrations group you have options of shapes. Now you click on the shape option, it will show you various shapes. You can create your own shape using draw canvas. You can draw your shape, but if you don't want that, you can select any shape which is given here. So let's see, uh, we'll use this smiley, and then we'll drag it over here. Okay, so this shaped I've used. Now I want to change the color of this shape. Like, I don't want blue color, I want it in yellow color. So here you have the option in format tab, you have shape fill, so you can select the color. Yes, I want yellow color. Now in this also you can select, I want, so now the color has been changed. If you want, you can give outline to your shape. So this is how you insert shape. You can insert any shape which you want. I've used smiley. You can use various shapes which are there. Y'all want star, y'all can insert star, and you can change its color. One black color star, can give effect. Okay, so this is how you should insert the shapes from the insert tab illustration group. So you all just need to practice it. That's it. I hope you all understood this. Follow the steps given in your textbook. Okay students, now I've drawn this shape, but I need to label them, or I need to write something inside the shape. So what you will do is, you will go in insert tab. In insert tab you have an option of text box. You will click on the arrow which is given over there, and it will show you where you want various types of text box. But now I want the text box in the shape, so for that I'll select draw a text box. So once I select draw text box, now I can draw it wherever I want. If I want it inside the shapes, or if I want it outside, you decide it wherever you want. Now I want the text box into this shape, so I'll draw it here. See, and now I'll give it the name like star, STAR, star. I'll format it. I want black color. Okay, wait, first I'll give the formatting the text its format. I'll change it color to white, and then I'll go to format, and it's done. See, so I got it labeled. So I hope you all understood this. So students, now we'll see how to insert pictures from your computer. For that you need to go towards the insert tab. In insert tab you have options of pictures. Select on that. Now the computer will show you the pictures which are there into your computer. Now I'll select this picture and say insert. Your picture is inserted. Now if you want to edit this picture, you can edit it by giving border, or if you want you can crop it. Like now I'll give border. I want this border. If you want you can change the color of the border. I want this color for my border, or I want to crop it, so I'll crop it like this. I'll make it small. I'll remove, see, it is cropped. I'll make it small from all the side, so it is done. See, I've cropped the image, so you can do that also. So students, first I showed you all how to insert pictures from the computer, your own PC. Now we'll see how to insert pictures from internet. We'll go towards insert tab, and here you have option of online pictures, so you'll click on that. For online pictures you need to have your internet connection, otherwise it won't show you. You'll type for the picture you need. Now I'll type, let's say, welcome, and I'll give enter command. It will show me the pictures. I want this, and I'll say insert. See, your picture is inserted. Same formatting you can do it, like if you all want to give border, then you can change the color of the border. You can give picture effect, or you can do 3D rotation. You have 3D options, many options you have. You can give glow to your picture, or if you wish you can crop it. Same options of crop you have. Crop the shape. Say I want to crop it, I'll just crop it from side. Okay, that's it. So it's done. You can see this black color behind because your picture is cropped. So I hope you all understood till here. You all just need to practice and follow the steps. So students, now we are going to see wrap text. Now for wrap text, I have a picture as well as a paragraph written down on the page. Now for the wrap text, the first thing is you need to select the picture. So I'm going to select the picture. As soon as I select the picture, I'll go to the format tab, and in format tab here you have in arrange group you have an option of wrap text. Now you'll go towards the wrap text, and here they'll show you the option that how do you want your image to look like. See, as soon as I select different, you can see the changes. I want in square. So as you can see, there are the changes in the position of the image as well as text. First the paragraph was down here below the image, and now it has come besides. So this is known as wrap text. Now we are going to learn about the position of the image, also known as position command. So you all are going to go in format tab. In format tab and arrange group, right besides wrap text you have position. So how do you want your image and your text to look like? See, as soon as I select, you can see the difference in the picture, how you want your Word document to look like. You want picture at the starting, in middle, at the end. Here you can select. So I want it in between. So as soon as I select in between, you can see that the paragraph is divided in, it is split into two, and in between you have the picture. So this is known as your position command or position of the image. So I hope you all understood this. This is the very simple steps. In textbook you might find it hard, but I have shown you all in simple way. You all just need to follow and practice. That's it. So students, with this we finish our chapter 3, that is objects in Word 2013. It was a small chapter, it was a practical chapter. I showed you all different practicals. In the lesson we learned about creating a word art, then giving different formatting to the word art, like changing the color, increasing the size, changing the style of the font, etc. Then we learned about inserting text, then changing the shape, inserting shape, etc. In this video we learned about the appearance of the image, then we learned about the wrap text and position command. So I hope you all understood this chapter. Thank you.